Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use aggregate with max function in Excel. So let's start this max cell, and here you can see I have 1 to 10 number, and the max function in Excel returns the largest numeric value from a set of values or a specified range. So let's start. So first I use here the max function. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the max, and select the range of column, then bracket closed and enter. So here the maximum value in this range is a 10. Okay. Suppose I hide some rows. Suppose I select the row number 8 to row number 11 and right click of the mouse and click on the hide. The maximum value is not changed according to visible number. Okay. So when you use the aggregate, the maximum value will change accordingly visible number. Suppose here the visible number 1 to 6. So in this range, the maximum value will be 6. So here will be 6. So let's see how it's done. So I use here the Control Z to undo the action. Okay. Now I remove this formula first and use the is equal to and use the aggregate. In aggregate, first select the function. So here I'm going to find the maximum value in this range, right? So I select the max function. Max function number is a 4. Okay, just select the 4, comma. Then I select here the ignore hidden rows. Number is 5. Select it and use the comma and select the range of column. Bracket closed and enter. That's it. Here the maximum value in this range is a 10. Okay. When I hide some rows, suppose same as I select to 7 to 11, row number, then right click of the mouse and click on the hide. You can see the maximum value it change accordingly. Hide the data. It means only visible value here consider to get the maximum value. Okay. So in this range, 5 is the maximum value. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.